Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video guys, I have a unboxing for you, and so this is from Chanel and this is from La Mer. This one is a gift from my friends guys, so mine as well to open that what they gave it to me. So for this one I just leave it like this for now because I don't want to show my name. So let's start with this Chanel, and they give me a card. So I don't want to open this because my friend told me don't open until my birthday. So I just leave it here for now. So let's see what they give to me. Okay, that's beautiful packaging. Look at that. Thank you guys so much if you're watching. Thank you guys. I love you guys so much. So here it is. It's open what it is. Oh, the body lotion. Oh my god. This is the latest Chanel summer collection. It is body lotion guys, and it's beautiful. Let's open this. Oh my god. I feel so spoiled. My birthday. Hey, this is Paris Biarritz. I don't know how to pronounce it. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get some. Oh my god, it's too much. I really have too much in there. So let's put it on my shoulder. Oh my god, it really smells good. Put on my leg, guys. Oh my god, look at that, guys. It's make you like really shine. Doesn't dry up your skin. So cute. And it smells so good. Wow. That's really smells good. So thank you guys so much. And so I don't know how to close this back. Anyway, I just leave it in here for now because I don't know how to close that. So let's move on to the excuse me, from La Mer. Move it a little bit to that. This is from La Mer guys. I ordered another one and I've been looking for this, and then but it always sold out. So finally when I checked, they have restock for this. Do you guys fancy when they have sticker like this when they're wrapping? I feel like looks so nice and fancy to me. So I asked for a freebie as well. If you purchase something, they give you a freebie guys. And I love this combo so much. I will do a review of this product from La Mer. And the first one is the soft cream. I really like this so much. If you order from La Mer, always pick this one guys. Believe me, this is moisturizer is so beautiful and it does really works on your face. This is a, I forgot what is this, what moisturizing soft cream. I use this one as a daytime. The De La Mer I think is I use as a nighttime. And this one, if I seen this one on the website about having freebie for this, I always purchase something right away because this one is always sold out. This is the renewal oil again. Okay guys, I tried to remove it, won't come out. So this is the size, and the size for this is 5 ml, but for the I think the 15 ml is quite actually pricey as well. So that's why if I see it like this, like a free in their free items, I think I always, like I said, I always get the item so I can have this free. And so this another cream. So the item I did really purchase is this Skin Color de la Mer, the powder. And I read about the review about this product and it's really good, so I can't wait to try this. I'm waiting for the foundation, guys, because my shade is sold out at the moment. It's been like a month. I was going to get this one and the foundation, but like I said, the foundation is sold out for a few months. I didn't restock at the moment, so I just go ahead and order this item. So the packaging is like a glass, and it's really glass. It's really heavy too. So, oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this sponge, it's so cute. So the size for this is 8 gram. And so like I said, I can't wait to try this, guys. I wear this on my night out all the time because I don't wanna, oh Jesus, guys, this is really heavy, and I think you pay too much for the packaging. They should use like a plastic one like Chanel does or Dior does, so it less the price for me if the product is really good. But I think you pay for another extra for this glass on the powder. So yeah, that's it I had, guys. I'm gonna close this. Out you go. You just twist when you open it. So yes, this is the 2 items that I have, and this one I get from my friends, and this is one I order online. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I see you on my next one. Bye.